Hey guys, all right, let's do this again. Here's the answers to the note sheet from yesterday, just to give you an idea of what's going on. Right now, we're finding out the degree of just this, just one of these kind of groupings or pairings. Sorry guys, dogs are going at it. And next week or so, we're going to have 2 or 3 of these groupings together, and we're going to figure out a degree of something called a polynomial instead of just a monomial. So it's important that we figure out the number of these guys, and we're just doing the variables, just so we're clear. This is pretty fun. So this first one, for example, is a degree of 4, right? All we have to do is figure out that exponent number, and if there's multiple ones, add them together. Don't worry about the 8 and any other numbers that are over there. Number 2, the variable, or the degree, would be 3, right? Just the exponent here. It'll get a little trickier at the bottom when we get a couple variables going. The degree of number 3 is 1, and the degree of number 4 is 0. I know you just want to jump to the answers. So let me move this whole thing on up a little bit, get this out of the way. Sorry, first time doing this one in a while. There it is. 5 and 6, for that matter, I'm going to erase these guys. Move this out of the way. There we go. Now I got them all. 5 and 6, so the degree of number 5 is 5. We would just simply add those two together, and we get 5. Don't worry about the 4 over here, nothing to do with it. Just the variables, just the letters. Over here we got a 1 next to that y, so then 1 plus 4 is also 5, so the degree for this guy, I'm writing it in now, kind of showing you 5, because we'd have to tell me degree. The degree for number 7 is 8, right? 4 plus 4 is 8, and the degree for number 8 is 7. Degree is 7. Cool, once again. In the future, we're going to have 2 or 3 of these tied together with a plus or minus sign, and we're going to have to figure out the degree of that entire thing. But right now, we're just doing one grouping at a time. All right, let me know if you got questions. Have a nice day.